Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to freeze frame in the CapCut apps. So prepare your video and add the track. For example, just select the part that you want to freeze. For example, I'm going to select this part, and then you can click the clip and swipe to the right for the find the freeze option. Just click on it. So there is a clip, a new clip, which is this freeze frame, and you can change for the filter. You can change for the color. Just select filters and select the filters that you like. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching.